Hi, this is Katrina Korfmacher from Rochester, New York, and I'm wishing the National Center for Healthy Housing a happy 30th anniversary. Usually when we're celebrating anniversaries, it's about people and relationships, and that's what I think is the greatest thing about the National Center. It's sustained relationships and fostered connections between people for its entire existence, and I think that's one of the biggest ways it solves problems and adds value. And whether it's between the staff who have such complementary expertise and shared commitment to using that for together as a team for the greater good, between communities of all different sorts with different housing needs, between technical experts, between advocates, between decision makers. It's those relationships between people that the National Center fosters that I think are so important. My relationship with the National Center goes back 20 years to when I first started working on lead in Rochester, and we had no idea what we were doing. In fact, nobody did. But luckily we had the National Center to call. And even if they didn't have an answer to our question, they always had a creative idea of how to get it answered, how to use the best available information, how to draw on other people's experiences so that we could create a system that was the best we possibly could with the knowledge that was available to us. And that's really rare. So I see National Center for Healthy Housing as bringing knowledge of all kinds together, whether it's the lived experience of communities, the experience gleaned by practitioners in the field, scientists' research, whether statistical in the laboratory or population-based, and the regulators and decision makers whose savvy and knowledge and commitment to changing systems for the better is also an important kind of knowledge. So as our awareness of the social determinants of health increases, particularly our understanding of how important the environment is, particularly our understanding of how critical housing is as a part of that healthy environment, the National Center's work is more important than ever. And so my greatest hope is that the National Center is going to continue building those bridges for many, many years to come. Happy anniversary.